As you practice breaking down signs and writing them using the 5 parameters, you probably encountered a few challenges. As stated in the previous video, some parameters are difficult to describe. The sign father is not just produced anywhere on the forehead. You need to ensure you inform others that it is produced on the dominant side of the forehead. Some signs are even more difficult because they appear in 2 locations. The sign for Y starts at the forehead, but the sign ends with the hand next to the middle of the head, near the cheekbone and ear, and not touching the body. How can you succinctly write that? It's difficult. Today we will look at the Liddell-Johnson model of describing signs, also known as hold move. This model recognizes how signs are fluid and are not produced in a singular moment. The original 5 parameters are still used, but this model makes a few changes and adds a few extra components for clarity and ease. Movement is going to change into the hold move columns. Each column will describe what the body is doing in that moment for the remaining parameters. Hand shape has not changed. We will continue to use letters and numbers and add modifications when needed. Placement, formerly location, is going to dictate where the sign is being produced in that moment of time. Therefore, as the signer reads and produces each step, they will create the appropriate movement for the sign. Placement will use a letter and number system to dictate distance from the body and from the center line. If the sign is produced on the other hand, describe in English. Proximal or P means the sign is produced near the body. Distant or D means the sign is produced near or at arm's length away. Mid or M means the sign is produced between proximal and distant. 0, 1, 2, and 3 are used to describe the distance from the center of the body, moving towards the dominant side of the body. 0 means the sign is produced in the middle of the body, on the center line. 1 means the sign is produced on the dominant side of the body. 2 means the sign is produced on the side of the body, most likely still touching the body. 3 means the sign is produced to the side of the body, not touching the body. Orientation has not changed. A reminder to avoid words such as left or right, as it will change the production of the sign if the signer has a different dominant hand. Non-manual marks or non-manual signs are described in English. 2 additions this model adds are contour and contact. Contour informs the signer if the movement is straight or arc, curved. Since contour is related to movement, it is left blank under the hold columns. Contact informs the signer if the person should be making contact with their body or other hand at that moment. Now, let's look at some examples. Here is how you could describe the sign def. Here is the sign Y. Here is the sign weak. As you practice, take each column separately and slowly. As you know from the previous practice, describing a sign can be difficult. It is easy to lead somebody towards confusion or producing the sign incorrectly. Avoid drawing arrows and parameter rows you think are not changing. There could be a slight alternation in a hand shape or location.